Your Binance wallet address is a unique identifier for sending and receiving cryptocurrencies on the Binance exchange. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to locate your Binance wallet address, so be sure to pay attention to avoid missing out on any information. But before we get into the tutorial, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. For those familiar with my videos, as I always mention, an important thing that you should note is that you have to create and maintain a Binance account to access the platform services. If you're finding it difficult to open an account, don't worry, because I have made videos on that, so be sure to check it out. When opening your Binance account, I want you to pay attention to the option that says Referral ID. If you use my referral ID, T7J9MB5J, you will get an extra 20% off on the trading rates you have to pay for every trade that you make on the exchange. All you have to do to get that 20% off is go to the Referral ID drop-down and click on it. After that, a field will open where you'll type in my referral code. I will also leave the code in the description below. Once you use my referral code, you'll get an extra 20% off your trading fees, which could end up being a lot of money, especially if you're planning to do a lot of trading on Binance. So finding your Binance wallet address is a straightforward process that is essential for sending and receiving cryptocurrencies on the Binance exchange. To find your Binance wallet address, log into your account and click on the wallet icon in the top navigation bar. From there, select Fiat and Spot from the menu. Next, search for the cryptocurrency you want to find the wallet address for. Under the deposit option, you will see the wallet address for that cryptocurrency. It's as easy as that. Alternatively, you can go to the Binance website and click on the deposit button. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, and you will see the wallet address for that cryptocurrency in the address field. An important thing to note is that some cryptocurrencies can be sent on multiple networks. Bitcoin, for instance, can be sent on the Bitcoin network or the Bitcoin Cash network. When you are looking for your wallet address, be sure to select the correct network. Once you have found your Binance wallet address, you can use it to transfer and receive cryptocurrencies on the exchange. Now, when dealing with cryptocurrency, understanding the risks of hacks, scams, and attacks is important because they can result in the loss of funds or personal information. It's important to stay alert and take the necessary steps to protect yourself. Phishing scams, for instance, often disguise themselves as legitimate emails or messages, but are designed to steal your personal details or funds. Always double-check the sender's email or contact information before responding or clicking on any links. Furthermore, safeguarding your passwords is important. Using unique passwords for each crypto account and managing them through a password manager adds an extra layer of security. Sharing these passwords with others should always be avoided. Enabling the two-factor authentication or 2FA feature can further enhance the security of your accounts by requiring a second form of verification, such as a text message or app notification, along with your password. Staying updated with the latest software for your wallets or exchanges is another way to secure your crypto assets, as updates often include security patches to address known vulnerabilities. It's also important to be cautious when using public Wi-Fi networks, because these connections are often unsecured and easily hacked. Trust your instincts as well. If something seems too good to be true, it likely is. While some of these measures may seem simple, there's some of the important ways that you can keep your crypto assets and information secure. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to use my referral code when opening your Binance account to enjoy 20% off your trading fees on the platform. As I said earlier, I will leave the code in the description below. If you're yet to subscribe, be sure to do that now, because there are more tutorials on the way.